Hi everybody, so I am here today with my August favorites. I'm going to try to keep it pretty brief. I have been super busy this month. The first half of the month was just full of working and then of course spending time with friends and family. And then this last week or so I have been in preparations for and starting my final year of my senior year of undergraduate, which has entailed lots of things and I have lots of things to work on, so things are going to get hectic. But I just want to review a few of the fun things that I enjoyed during August. I'll start with a couple of makeup items. I know I've mentioned them before, but I don't know if I've mentioned them in videos. So the first one I'm going to mention is this Avon True Eyeshadow Quad. And it's in the shade, what's it called? Romantic Mauves. As you can see here, there's a pretty, it's gonna fall, but a pretty shimmery light shade, highlight inner corner, and then there's this number 2 shade. It's sort of purpley, pinky tone, champagne-y, and that is perfect for all over the lid. 3 is a great sort of crease blending crush color, and 4 is a great crease and outer corner color and blending color. So these 4 all blended together have been creating my eye look recently. That's what I'm wearing today. I don't normally choose purpley colors. I usually choose more bronzy or brown colors, but I've really been enjoying them and I'm excited to continue to use this. Next I have another Avon product. They're just kind of the new things that I've been trying out this month. It's the Mega Effects Mascara and it's in black, and as I think I've showed you before, the brush is so strange. You wiggle it out here and then that's your brush, and there's that. I've been enjoying it a lot. It's great after a couple coats. You just sort of brush it on. It's really strange, and at first it was kind of messy, but I've gotten used to it and it's definitely a lot better. But I think it gives a lot of more length and then some volume as well. And then last, I'm also wearing, it's the Avon Ultra Color Lipstick in Country Rose. You can see it there, and it's on my lips. I've showed it on my lips before. I've been wearing it a lot. It's super easy to apply. It goes on really smoothly. It feels pretty moisturizing, and it seems to wear pretty well for quite a while. It's not sticky or anything, which is really nice. So beyond that, I have just some sort of random favorites. The first thing I have is the Skim. I've been reading it for 2 or 3 months now. I don't remember when I started, but I'll show you. There's like the email. It's the Daily Skim. So this one's called Did You Pick Out a Pre-Friday Outfit? So there's a little logo. You can Google them. I will link their website down below. You just sort of sign up for their email alerts. You get an email every weekday morning, and they give a really good summary of current events in the world. Anything from domestic things to like pop culture, and then like the really big sort of important issues around the world. So like right now, the last few days have basically just been revolving around Syria, which is really interesting and it's great. A couple of my classes, I guess, really basically revolve around sort of like international politics and international affairs and sort of what's going on in the world. And so it's nice for me to be able to have one place to go. I can get a quick skim of things, and I like that they have the skim and then you can see the little blue links. So you can click on the link and it'll take you to the actual article where they got their information from, and you can get a little bit more information. So I often do that just so I keep well informed. And then also, the Starbucks Peach Green Tea. That's really good. I tried one because they were doing their like promotion. It was, what was it, like if you buy one in the what is it called? You buy one in the morning, you get one for only $2 in the afternoon. It's some summer promotion they do like every year. And so I was trying out different things, and so they have their Peach Green Tea Lemonade, which is delicious. It's got that green tea sort of mintiness, the peachy, and then the lemonade. And then I've been trying just the peach green tea. So it takes away a little bit of the lemonade like tartness and sweetness, and it just sort of leaves you with a more refreshing kind of taste, which I really like. Less calories as well, and less like bad things for you. And then I've also been enjoying my room is sort of coming together. You can see my bed. I have like a different pillow. It's the same pillow, but just like a different order. I've really been loving my bed and my white bedspread. I've been having to try really hard just to make sure that I keep everything clean and in order so I don't get anything dirty on it, but it's been working out really well, and the rest of them are starting to come together, which I am really excited about. It's just sort of a timely process, and I'm really busy, so I haven't had all of the time in the world to be working on things. And last but not least, Lollapalooza was at the beginning of this month. It was amazing. Amazing. Had a great time, hung out with my friends, saw some great bands, ate a lot of food. It was very enjoyable. Probably my highlight was seeing Imagine Dragons. I loved it. I ended up in the front row, pushed my way through. It was a little stressful, but I ended up in the front row with one of my friends, and it was absolutely amazing. They have been one of my top bands for a while, and now especially I've been loving them a lot. So with that is a very quick favorites video, but I just wanted to give things that I've absolutely been loving this month. And with that, I will talk to you guys later. Always remember to thumbs up this video and give it a like if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!